you doing, man?
What's going on, brother?
All right.
Sitting back in the cut.
Yeah, man, I see you over here. What you got running in here?
415 DVXs, 2 Ampere Audio 3800s right here. I had no more room for them. And then I got the biggest North Star AGM battery and a McMahon 370 amp alt.
Yes, sir.
Tunes about 33, between 33 and 42 hertz.
That's a nice box you got right there.
Oh yeah, it's GP Audio.
That's all I seen that one online somewhere.
I had them do it for me, do it up.
Yeah, they got you right.
All right, let's see what we can do for you here. This up here.
That's 2 Ampere Audios?
Yeah, they're just stacked on top of each other.
You got them at 1 ohm?
1 ohm. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's why it'll work out.
Yeah, those are half ohm subs, so that's all I could do. I was going to strap them, but I was getting more power out of them just like that, just separating the two. 2 on each amp.
You breaking them in on the front, on the comment. You coming in hot, ain't you, man?
Yeah, hot as a can, man.
Oh, man, how do you get this thing to stay up here, man, without?
What's that?
The sunroof usually break on you. So you're lasting for right now?
I'm lasting for right now. I'm just making it.
Try to check out the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me check out that nice box, man.
Yeah, I got all the doors are done.
I like that panel. That's nice. I wanted that custom speaker prize. You want to get a picture on this side?
Yeah, I got 8s in the back.
Now those are custom speaker pods right there?
Yeah, they're custom speaker pods.
Yeah, I know that. Okay.
I got what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.5, 2 8.
I like how they just sit in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, you got it looking real nice.
Don't pay attention to the top. I didn't finish painting because I didn't know what I was gonna do with it.
Oh yeah, that's how you started making a different color, didn't you?
Yeah, I was gonna change it up.
Hey, that's one thing about you can keep painting.
Oh yeah, I just never like that. I said, man, what is that right now?
That look good too, man. They built the whole box for you, didn't they?
I put it all together and everything.
Oh, it's a glue and screw, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That CNC work is clean, boy.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. I was thinking about putting some like flexi mirrors in here.
Yep.
Spots and stuff like that.
And light it up.
Do something, man. I hadn't got to that point.
Hey, but you had to make this show if nothing else.
Oh yeah, 100%, man.
Man,
I'm still making the other ones this year, so.
Oh yeah, definitely this one, yeah.
I had to get to this one for sure.
Man, it's looking good, bro.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. I sure appreciate the demo, man.
All right, no problem. I'll give you another one.
Yes. I'm gonna try to come back down here. Are you coming back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get another one tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I'll be here again tomorrow, so I'll check it out.
Hopefully by the day they'll be broke in.
Yeah, I smell them. All right.